Welcome to the fascinating world of colorful bangle manufacturing. Today, we'll explore the complete journey of how beautiful bangles are made, from raw materials to the final product. The process begins with carefully selected raw materials delivered from trusted suppliers. Every ingredient plays an important role in creating durable and beautiful bangles. Before production starts, every raw material is carefully inspected to ensure it meets strict quality standards.
After inspection, the approved materials are organized and stored safely until they are needed for production. Special pigments are blended with the base material to create the vibrant colors that make each bangle unique. The mixture is heated under carefully controlled temperatures until it becomes smooth and ready for shaping. Advanced machines transform the molten material into long, uniform tubes that will soon become colorful bangles. Each tube is carefully shaped into a perfect circle, ensuring consistent size and a flawless finish. The newly formed bangles are cooled gradually to strengthen their shape and maintain their durability. The first quality inspection ensures that every bangle meets the factory's high standards before moving to the decoration stage. After shaping, every bangle is carefully smoothed to remove rough edges and prepare it for a flawless finish. Powerful polishing machines enhance the surface, giving each bangle a clean and attractive shine. A uniform base color is applied to every bangle, creating the perfect foundation for decorative designs. The coated bangles pass through a drying system to ensure the color bonds perfectly with the surface. Modern printing technology creates beautiful patterns with remarkable precision and consistency. Decorative stones are carefully placed to give each bangle a luxurious and elegant appearance. A fine metallic border adds extra beauty and enhances the premium look of the finished bangles.
A final polishing process brings out the rich colors and brilliant shine of every bangle. Each finished bangle undergoes a detailed inspection to ensure it meets the highest quality standards. After passing every quality test, the beautiful bangles are approved and sent to the packaging department. The finished bangles are carefully sorted by size to ensure every set is perfectly matched. Each bangle is matched by color to create uniform and attractive sets for customers. Matching bangles are carefully arranged into complete sets, ready for packaging. Every set is counted with precision to ensure customers receive the correct number of bangles. The bangles are placed into protective trays to prevent scratches and damage during transportation. High-quality branded boxes are prepared to give the finished product a professional and premium appearance. Each bangle set is carefully packed into its branded box with great attention to detail. The boxes are securely sealed and labeled with product information for easy identification and retail sale. The packaged products are carefully packed into shipping cartons to ensure safe transportation.
The finished products are stored in the warehouse, ready to be shipped to distributors and retail stores around the world. Customer orders are received and processed through the factory's inventory management system before shipment begins. The required products are carefully picked from the warehouse according to each order. Each shipment is securely prepared to ensure the products remain safe during transportation.
The packaged bangles are loaded onto delivery trucks and prepared for distribution across the country. The finished products now begin their journey from the factory to distribution centers and retail stores. The shipment reaches the distribution center, where products are sorted for different retail locations.
Each carton is scanned and recorded to maintain accurate inventory and efficient tracking.
The products are dispatched from the distribution center and delivered to retail stores. The colorful bangles finally arrive at retail stores, ready to be displayed for customers. Beautifully displayed in the showroom, the colorful bangles are now ready to catch the attention of customers. The final stage begins as customers enter the store to explore a beautiful collection of colorful bangles. With a wide variety of colors and designs, customers can easily find the perfect bangles for every occasion. Store staff help customers choose the right size, color, and design based on their preferences. The selected bangles are scanned, billed, and prepared for the customer to take home. The bangles are carefully packed in premium packaging to provide a memorable shopping experience. Crafted with precision and care, these colorful bangles become part of life's most special moments.